Hello. When you see my face, you see sugaring expert for ancient Egyptian wax. Last week, one of my co-workers, she was shocked because one of her clients asked her for diamond design for Brazilian. She just came out the room and ran fast to me. Rina, how can I do diamond design? So I told her, I have taught you how to do landing strip, triangle, heart. Later, I have taught you all of that. And she told me, but you have never taught me how to do diamond design. Okay. Today, I will teach you how to do diamond design. Let's go. See how very easy. Okay, so are you ready? Diamond design. Alright. This is woman Q area. See, woman Q area. First off, you ask them first, would you like to get diamond design on top or diamond design cover the center? If they want diamond design on top, see, you just make a diamond design on top like this. So you get the diamond design on top. Come to closer. You see, diamond design. Next, diamond design cover. Right. So this is another cute. So this is center. You see, this is center. And when you make a cover, you just make a little bit bigger, cover the center. So you can get another diamond cover the center. These are two kind of diamond design. If you would like to do more another design, come to see me in our school. Yeah. Diamond, this one diamond cover the center, and this one diamond on top. Rina!